Hi guys, welcome back. Look at those rose bushes. They look great. This is the aftermath of the fence install. Got a new cover for the barbecue grill. Got a lot to do. So I plan on doing something about this atrocity over here. Looks bad, but the fence turned out great. Couldn't ask for more. Look at it. Almost like a professional did it. Rose bushes. I know you guys are getting tired of me talking about them, but look at them. They turned out great. They're growing stronger, healthier. Yep. Seed set, you'll be gone. Upper management brought this one. It's been in the family for years. Trust me. Marble chip area needs a lot of work. Weeds growing everywhere. Looks disgusting. I can't stand it, but I'll take care of it. All of it. Trust me. It's gonna look great. So I moved everything out the way. Everything is gonna be in my way anyway. Okay, it's over there. And I'll just pull some weeds. Get up the bad mulch. Got the wheelbarrow out. It's gonna come in handy. So much to do. So little time. But I'll get it done. Well, getting it up. Brought the shovel out. Wheelbarrow filling up. I'll move the stuff over here. Got the furniture out the way, barbecue grill. Got the container out with my drinks. Oh yeah. Time to clean up the marble chip bed. I'll remove the edges for a while. See what's underneath the surface. This area is pretty much done though. What to do. I can't have this anymore. Weeds growing just all out of control. This makes me work too hard. Gotta figure this out. Do something about it. Losing daylight. I think I'll stop here. Done enough for the day. Marble chip bed is gonna look nice. It's coming along. Think I'll get them all up and put some more fabric down. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.